Humans need special machine just to open food. Back in cave days, caveman hunt mammoth with rock. Modern humans lose fight against can soup. Primitive brain concerned. This thing called KitchenAid can open her. Tiny metal claw device designed specifically for battling canned beans, ravioli, and emergency chili at 2 a.m. And honestly, this thing kinda dominate. First thing caveman notice, handle's actually soft. Human hands apparently too delicate now. Tiny blister and whole civilization collapse. But then, wait, what? This thing glide through metal can like hot mammoth butter. No screeching, no hand pain, no wrestling can around kitchen like angry raccoon. Just clam twist, boom, soup unlocked. Primitive brain genuinely impressed. And the cutting was super sharp too, like suspiciously sharp. Caveman feel this thing could open medieval castle if motivated enough. Plus it got bottle opener built in because apparently humans constantly sealing drinks behind tiny metal puzzles. Why humans make eating so complicated? And unlike cheap dollar store can opener that explode after 3 cans and emotional breakdown, this one actually feels sturdy. Heavy, solid, trustworthy, like kitchen hammer forged by modern food wizard. Now who should buy this? If tribe cook often, meal prep, open can food regularly, or tired of garbage can openers bending like wet leaf, yes, especially older humans or anyone with weak grip strength. This thing make life easier. But if you only eat raw mammoth meat and wild berries from forest may be unnecessary. Still, caveman respect any tool that turned dangerous metal cylinder into instant pasta access. Human civilization built on weird priorities. Link below if tribe wants smooth soup opening technology. Caveman leave shiny Amazon link in description. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds before humans invent smart Bluetooth spoon.